It's never rained in Australia during racing weekend.
It's really difficult today because it's really wet, and if you want to be fast you have to push a lot, and then it's dangerous.
I mean, there's a lot of aquaplaning on the track, there's a lot of water, and I tried to maximize my braking point, and it was a little bit too late, and then after you don't I mean, it's quite tough to manage to stay on track.
We will now take all the data we gathered back to Weissach. We're gonna evaluate everything in the next couple of weeks and then make a decision who will get the scholarship for the Super Cup next year.